Hello, this is Deborah with Skyway Visuals, and today I'm just going to be giving a quick overview of how to edit the new Blender Action Teaser promo. So, after you've extracted the zip file and opened up the containing blend file, you should see a screen that looks like this. Now, at the bottom left of the screen, just select Run Script and then click Enable D&D, and that will enable the drag and drop function. Now, these layers are organized in succession, so let's select the first layer tab that has media in it. And basically, next layer tab will be the second media, third media, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and then it ends at this layer tab. Alright, so let's bring up the images that we're going to drag and drop now that we've enabled our drag and drop function. So I'm just going to drag in the image, go to the next layer, drag in the image, and just do the same thing for all of these layers. Now, one thing you can do, you can actually skip that layer for dragging and dropping images. One thing you'll want to do is once you're done replacing the images on all of your layers, you'll want to select the tilde key on your keyboard, and that'll bring in all of your layers for editing. Another thing you can do is hold down Shift and just individually select all of these. Alright, so now that we've brought in all of our layers for rendering, we want to pay attention to the text. So I'm going to minimize this. There's a text editor included here, so I'm just going to scroll down, and you'll basically enter your text here and then hit the Apply Text button. But you'll want to make sure that your text object is selected. So the object that's selected will show at the bottom left here, so if you right click that, you'll see that a text object is selected, and you can change it to your preferred text, and then you can just hit apply. And then you'll want to apply it to all text objects in the scene, so that text there in the background, and then we'll change this to business.com or your website.com. And you can click through these layers. So let's click through the first layer, and we'll change both these text objects. Just hit apply text, type your text, and just do the same thing for all of these layers. And then once you're done making all of your edits, you type that tilde key on your keyboard or hold down Shift and just individually select these layers. So I'm just going to demonstrate the Shift select right now. So I'm just going to click that layer, hold Shift, and then just click all the layers that are going to render. And now I'll choose an output on my computer for this file to go to. So I'm just going to click this folder here, and you can click this plus so that you can view all the folders that you want to go to. And my video is what we'll name it. Click accept, and then click render animation, and you are finished editing the action promo. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, and you can check out a lot of other cool Blender templates on the Skyway Visuals official website and on the Blender Market. So, to use videos with the Action Teaser promo, the process for dragging and dropping is similar. You enable the drag and drop, and then you drag and drop in your media. So let's enable the drag and drop in the media, and let's pay attention to this section here. We're going to right click this section, and we're going to right click until we select an object that has slide 9 in its name, and then we're going to go into the materials and the texture section, and you'll want to scroll through the texture section, click match movie length, and that will automatically basically detect the frame rate, the number of frames in your video file, and you should see it in the viewport. And you can also select a start frame for your video so that it starts at a certain time in the scene. So say 181 frames is around 6 seconds here. So you can start it at frame 181. And each of your videos can have varying start times. So you basically repeat this process for each of the media content holders on each of these layers.